This is our Sierra plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 19 square feet. This is our A elevation. You have a nice little coat closet right here. Nice wide hallway. Here's your laundry room. That goes out to the garage. That's your smart home hookup. Nice big eat-in bar. Plenty of room for bar stools. Lots of cabinets. Good storage. Open living plan. It's your dining area and your living area. So typically you'd have a couch here and TV over there. This plan has the master right in the back here. Big master, 15 by 9 by 13 by 8. Plenty of room for a king size bed. Raised double vanity. Separate commode. 5-foot walk-in shower, tiled enclosure, nice linen storage, and a walk-in closet with our Closet Plus system. On the other side of the kitchen here, this is your pantry. Nice big pantry, plenty of room. And then you have a full bath right here. Okay, nice linen storage. And a bedroom right here. And one more right over here. Here's the laundry area. Like I said, this is the smart home hookup. And here's the garage. 2-car garage, 7-foot door. This is the irrigation system. It's a bubble drip system on a timer. And there's your water heater, garage opener, and attic access. Take a quick look at the back real quick. Carrier refrigerated air. A little gate on this side. Get about 20 feet from the back of the house to the back wall. Nice covered patio. Again, you're going to get about 5 feet on this side. And this house has some really nice views, at least right now. So, if you want to see this house or any other homes, please let me know. You can contact me at 505-999-0930. 505-999-0930. Thank you.